Guys, I want to share this with you. Sometimes as a coach, you see people walk into the gym and you think they're there to change their bodies, but they're not. The truth is, God brings people to the gym to transform their minds, their hearts, and sometimes even their spirit. The Bible tells us in Proverbs 27 verse 17, as iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. And as a coach, that is so important to know. Coaching isn't just about muscles and losing weight. It's about mindset, about helping someone on their journey in life. It's all about building people up, because real strength doesn't start in the body. It actually starts in the mind and in the soul of people. And a lot of times coaches forget about that. As a coach, I've learned something so powerful on my journey. Every client that walks through the door is fighting a battle that no one knows about and no one can see. And sometimes what they need most isn't a coach. They need someone that believes in them, that looks at them, and that challenges them. And believing in someone, you can give them purpose to what they want to achieve, and to give them the strength while they're on their journey to know that they can still rise and they're not done yet. And being a motivation, inspiration, as a coach can help them with their growth. And that's where the body and the character comes together and faith inside of you starts to grow. In my personal training career as a coach in 17 years, every time I've watched a client transform mentally, physically, emotionally, and even spiritually in their faith, I've been reminded that this is my calling and this is what I do, why I do it, and why I love it so much. I want to encourage everyone, don't just train your body when you walk into the gym. Train your mind, your discipline, and most important, your faith in Father Jesus, because when those things align, the body will just follow. Guys, have a wonderful evening. Lots of blessings to everyone. And I'll catch up again with you tomorrow, Friday.